this is Robbie from Grin. We're excited to have a new product released today, and that is the TDCM HCA5 torque sensing motor. So first and foremost, what this product really has special about it is a torque sensing cassette freehub body. So that way it measures the torque as you pedal, and will transmit that up to the cycle analyst and give a nice smooth integration. Now this isn't like a new thing because BionX kind of had this out available for conversion kits a while ago, but now since BionX is gone, there's been kind of a big hole in the market, and we're happy to see TDCM have a product that is really going to help fill that. The second cool thing about this motor is that it has a quick release axle. So the nice thing there is that it means it's compatible with 135mm dropout frames and will fit right in with really limited filing. No need to deal with those kind of large, oversized flat axles and kind of add-on torque arms to get good, solid, robust performance out of the motor without any kind of shaking or vibration. So to deal with that, we actually have a custom kind of torque arm here that uses tool steel for the torque interface, and then a nice stainless steel arm that we've created here. And that gives a nice simple installation, works with one of our standard frame clamps, and makes it real easy to take the wheel on and off if you have a flat. The power of this motor is really similar to our other direct drive motors, and we put it into kind of 1,000 to 1,500 watts max. And that's very similar to our H212, Crystalite UFO, and our Grin all-axle system. It's not quite as light as the all-axle. This one comes in just under 6 kilograms, but it's still really nice performance and definitely a bit lighter than some of the other comparable products on the market. One thing that makes this product a little different than the other ones is the connector. While it still is an L10, it's not quite the same pinout. We had to actually make a custom version of our base runner to interface with that, and so the kind of main differences for the techie people out there is that it uses 12 volts instead of 5 to power the sensors, and then it also has a fully separate torque signal that needs to get up to the cycle analyst and goes through the motor controller to do that. So there's an extra cable on our base runner torque that is a 4-pin HiGo to a 5-pin JST that plugs right into our cycle analyst and makes that a nice, simple, clean install. So we got one cable running from the motor to the controller, right, and installed in the battery with a base runner, and then 2 cables going up to the cycle analyst. And that's really all you need to get going. It's obviously, you can add a throttle and e-brakes to get proportional regen, and we also even have the option to add pedal assist right to the crank sensors if you need it, and that will really give you the option to enable back pedal regen on the version 3.2 cycle analyst firmware, which is a nice feature. So the final kind of result of this whole kit is a really nice, slick install. You get full customization of the torque sensing using the cycle analyst, and really nice, seamless regenerative braking with the custom torque arm and the cycle analyst control as well. So we think this is going to be a really solid hit, and so we've got it right now in a limited release while we see about getting some more production of the motors, and that's available on our website right now. The only thing this won't really do is standard through axle systems, and that is something that we're working on right now. So stay tuned.